Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. Today we are discuss about the shadows. Shadows is depending upon the timings and month. So first in the default tree there is a shadows option is there. So first we enable the shadows like this. It will be created. It is depending upon the time and it is depending upon the months. So if suppose you select the morning, the shadows like this. Suppose if select the afternoon, like this. At evening it will move to the opposite directions. It is also depending upon the month, January, February, March, April, like this. This is for the shadows. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you everyone.